So, um, this is extremely different from what I normally upload, but I had to share this because this was making me die laughing so hard. Okay, so the guy in red is talking to the guy in blue, and he's like, "All this unsolicited advice you're getting is hilarious. You're obviously handling this well based on your sense of humor. I don't know why Reddit thinks you need a crappy relationship counseling. By the way, this post was hilarious. Thanks for the laugh." So the guy in blue, it's his post, and he says, "You're welcome, OP." And the guy in green says Blue's name, and he's like, "You are OP, not him." Thanks, OP. You're welcome, OP. Thanks, OP.